This is the Groen tilt kettle that I have listed on eBay, and today is December 2nd. I'm shooting a quick clip just to show how this machine, to show that it works. I'm just going to go ahead and look in the inside, see how shiny and clean it is. It's a little dusty now because it's after it was cleaned, it was stored here with the other equipment, which as you can see is sitting around it. I'll show you a quick peek of all the other stuff I have here. I'll look down here, see the condition of the machine. You can see the button here being on, the lights being on right here, showing that it's plugged in. Currently it is on the off setting. And let's look around the machine just a little bit more. Go on the back side. Right now I'm going to pour some water in there to show you that it does boil, does work. Pour the water in there. It's a little water, but it's a little test we're doing here. I'm going to turn it on. I'm not going to blast it. Put on about a 5. And that's down to about a 5. You can hear that noise. Put it close, you can hear the sound of it heating on the inner jacket. I'm going to zoom in on there, see if there's any. See if it's bubbling. You can see up close. You can see bubbling right there. So there's movement anyway. Again, this machine is in pretty good condition. It's almost like new. Needs a little wipe down from dust. But other than that, all the goo and all the greases have been removed from the machine. See the pressure gauge showing you what pressure it's on right now. Come back here. And it's going. Actually, with this machine as well, the instructions, I'll show you the instructions here on the side. It says you need to, right there, preheat. There you go. Preheat it for 5 minutes on level 5. We didn't actually preheat this, that's why it's taking a little while longer. Usually after preheating, put it in there, it's ready to go. Alright, you can see the bubbles moving faster. I don't know if the pixel is able to show that. Nah, that's going too far the other way. But you can hear it rocking there. You can hear the noise. I'm going to be quiet now so you can hear what it's doing. You can see the bubbles fizzing. And you can see steam coming up from the water. It's almost to a full boil. Actually, it's fogging up the camera a little bit here, so I'm going to back out, take it from a distance. But it works very well. You can see the lights on. See, there's a light. Power's on. I'm gonna just go in one more time and show you the bubbles. I can stay here longer, but it's just this boring video of it just boiling. But there it is, it's boiling and it works well. There goes the big bubbles. Like I said, if I had preheated this at 5 minutes, this would have boiled in no more than a minute for the amount of water that's in there. There you go. And now it's taken off. Now I'm steaming. We can't. Ooh, the camera got steamed up, so I have to back out. All right, and that's it.